Hello, I'm going to go over some additional things that you can do using pivot charts in Excel. So in a prior video, we created this pivot table in pivot chart. The pivot chart was the default chart option, and we sorted it by highest open number of tasks to lowest, and we found that Switzerland has the most open task. And what if we wanted to look at it a little bit differently? Because we can see that Switzerland also has a lot of tasks in general. So what if I wanted to know, well, who has the most open tasks as a percentage of the total tasks that are in that country? So since we've already got a chart here, we've already got the pivot table here, it's very important that we click on the pivot table that we want this pivot chart to drive off of. We'll click on it. We'll come in here, insert pivot chart, and now it'll give us all these options. We could create whatever type of chart that we wanted to. So we'll stick with a column chart, but we went initially just with this standard clustered. Third one here is going to be 100% stacked. So it's going to put it and give us a percentage of, who has, what percentage of those tasks has been completed. So I'll drag it down, make it the same size as the other one. Now this will tell us that even though Switzerland does have the most number of tasks, as you can see, Algeria, this blue bar is so much smaller. On a relative or percentage basis, it's actually probably Algeria that we should be zeroed in on. And again, we could add a data label here so that we can still see, Switzerland has 70, just like we saw up here. Netherlands has the 32, Algeria has the 31, but that does comprise about 30 to 33% of their total tasks. So some of the options that you can use here in creating your pivot charts.